I'm Neill Staff and I'm the tax partner at Raffingers, and I'm going to talk to you today about HMRC's Let Property campaign. I'm going to explain what the Let Property campaign is, why it was set up, who can use it and how to use it more importantly. So let's start. The property campaign was set up by HMRC so that landlords could report omitted capital gains and rental income that might not have found its way onto their tax returns. I think by now it's quite common knowledge that HMRC has details of all land transactions which have gone through the records for many, many years. So if you are a landlord and you haven't fully returned your rental income, this is something that you should be thinking about, because at some stage it's fairly certain that you will get a letter. There are a lot of reasons why landlords don't actually make a return of their rental income. Most common is that they don't think they're making a profit because of the mortgage payments they have to make and their expenses. It isn't necessarily the case. You're only entitled to claim your mortgage interest and not the whole of the mortgage repayment. And as a landlord anyway, you are required to actually make a return of your income. So moving forward, who can actually do this? It's something that any individual in the UK can do if you have rental income either in the UK or abroad. It can be just one property, it could be several properties. What it isn't designed for is companies or trusts. It has to be just an individual that can register this. And more importantly, how do you actually go about doing this? Well, essentially it requires a registration in the first instance. You would need your name and address, national insurance number, and at which point HMRC would provide you with a reference number, and you then have 3 months to actually get on and calculate your rental income and then fill everything in online. As an accountant, I would always suggest that you speak to an accountant. It isn't necessarily the most straightforward thing to do to work out your rental profits. You need to know what's allowable for tax. You need to know what rate of tax to charge, what your other taxable income is. At Raffingers, if you get in touch with us, we will always have a free consultation to run through everything with you in the first instance, and we will provide you with a fixed fee agreement to do all the work from the accounts, all the way through to registering you, telling you how to pay, calculating your penalties and interest. If you want to discuss this, please feel free to get in touch with me, and my details will be provided shortly after this finishes. Many thanks.